Need cash urgently but don't want the hassle? Let's walk through how to quickly and safely borrow money directly from your Zenith Bank app. First, launch your Zenith Bank mobile app and log in using your PIN or biometric authentication. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of your screen. Tap it to open the side menu. In the side menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Loans. Tap on Loans to proceed. You'll see different loan options available. Look for Quick Loan or Salary Advance depending on your eligibility and what you're looking for. Tap on the one that suits you. Now, carefully fill out the loan application form. Enter the amount you wish to borrow, the loan duration or tenor, that's how long you have to repay, and your preferred account for receiving the funds. Before you finalize, carefully review the loan terms and conditions. Pay close attention to the interest rate, repayment schedule, and any associated fees. Make sure you understand everything before proceeding. If you agree with the terms, tap the Confirm button to submit your loan application. Congratulations! If your application is approved, you'll see a confirmation message, and the borrowed funds will be credited to your account almost instantly. Remember to repay on time to avoid penalties.